Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to pass the customer name or customer display name into the chat widget. Like over here you can see the Jane Doe is there, right? And what are the different contact attributes that, sorry, not the contact attribute, the customization that we can do with respect to the name, we will see in this video. Okay. Do subscribe to the channel. Only 89% are subscribing. Sad face. You can watch this video into 1.5x as I'm going to explain a little bit about the new document they have enabled. So if I go over here, right, and if I go to the document and supported widget snippets, right, so they, if you see over here, they have added some new custom styles, duration, nuances, customization objects, custom display names and everything. So these are the few fields which they have added, and this is quite useful if you want to customize the uh, how it behaves and how your widget inbuilt chat widgets to be behave, right? So first we will see how to pass the customer display name. Okay, so this is pretty much simple. What we are doing over here is we are going to pass the name. So let's say there is a scenario where your agent have been logged in, right? And you want to display that information, right? Like you want to greet the user with their name and all this thing. So what I will do is I will just give the name over here and I will just give details like this. Now what I will do is I will just start my chatbot and let's see if it detect or display my name. Okay. Uh, so once I type hi, it's still giving me customer. Just a second. Let me just refresh the page so that it takes or invokes or takes the latest script that we have added. So I will, if I give hi over here, you can see over here my name is now coming over there. And if I do one, press one for sales, right? What exactly is the flow? How can I assist? And then it should connect me to agent, right? Let me log in as an agent also. It is waiting for input, right? So how can I assist you with the sales? And then it goes to disconnect flow, which we don't want right now. And basic working queue transfer to agent at capacity. Okay. So if I give anything, have I logged in? Okay, so I see received the chat, and if you see over here, the name is coming as Rajiv, which is the name which we have passed, right? And this is how the to and fro conversation start. Oh, they have modified the UI. It looks nice. Okay, anyway, let's concentrate back. Now let's say there is a scenario. Let me end the chat. Let me, there is a scenario where over here, you want to display the name as user, but in the agent side, once it displayed, you want to display the name. So let's say there is some customization that you want to do over there. Did I add the survey also? Okay, anyway. So for that, what we will do is we will go to this customer display we have done, and then there is something called customization object. Okay, so what I will do is I will click over here, and what I will get is something called the customization object, right? Where I can copy this one, and what I will do is paste it over here. Now, what we want is in the transcript when the bot and the customer is speaking, I want to display the name as user. Okay. And for everything else, I want the name to be as it is. Okay. So, what I will do is I will remove this header in the transcript. I will keep it as it is. I will remove this part and I will remove the composer also, header and footer. Okay, just remove this part and click save. Now what I will do, I will just do refresh so that it takes the latest script. I will type hi or whatever, sales I can type, right? Or one I can type. Now you can see over here the name is coming as user, right? And over here, what I will get the name as Rajiv. If you see over here, so this is a new chat. If I do hi, it will receive hi over here, and so forth, right? So yeah, this is how you can do more customization and more information which you want to pass with respect to the name and how you can do the customization. So they have added excellent information with respect to the transcript, header, drop down, and all those things. These details can be seen over here. Okay. Hopefully you find the video. Thank you. Uh, hopefully you find the video useful. Thank you. Have a nice day.